The United States is introducing a new option for visitors who want a fast visa option. So their interview appointments comes at a hefty price. The US Department is preparing to roll out a pilot program that will allow B1 and B2 visa applicants to pay an additional $750 to get an expedited interview slot. This initiative is scheduled to run from July 1st to December 31st of 2026 and is aimed at people applying for business or tourist visas. The premium fee of $750 is above the standard application of $185, which means an applicant has to pay a total of $935 in order to get this slot. This is for visa applicants who are often face time constraints. This looked like a good idea. However, there is an important catch. The extra payment does not buy a visa. It does not speed up the decision on the application. It does not improve the chances of getting approved. It only helps applicants secure an interview appointment within 10 business days, subject to availability. The US Department has made it clear that this is a premium appointment service, not a fast track visa approval system. Now, under the pilot program, only selective American embassies and consulates could participate, so the list does not get out.
So this was in a nutshell, which explains that USA can offer a program in which individuals can book their early appointments within 10 business days by giving an additional fee to US Embassy, US visa authorities, which is $750. And they can actually book their seats early. So once you get your seats early, you will be able to, sit into the exam ASAP, and you can book it as per your schedule and as per your date. So this is one of the kind of, a fast track system. However, this does not guarantee that you will get the visa or not, or whether your actual DS 160, the reason will be, considered as one of the valid reasons into the US Embassy when you are going for the interview. So filling the US DS 160 form rightly is one of the basic thing. Another thing that you really need to do is you need to prepare very well for the good interview, and that can help you win a good job. However, if you are someone who's not ready to pay 750 US dollars, what you can do, you can go to US Visa Travel Docs. Once you have paid the fees and everything, you can go to this website and you can actually book an early seats for yourself by hit and trial method, or slot snipping method, which is actually called. You'll go to a non-immigrant visa status, then you'll do visa login, and here you'll be move forward with the security performing verification tab. And when you'll verify, you'll move forward and you'll move ahead. Let's see. Since I've already booked a slot for myself, so I'll move ahead and sign in. Okay. Okay. So I filled in everything. It can only be done once your profile has been updated, your slot has already been booked, and you have already booked your appointment maybe for August or September, whatever the slot is. Let me show you my tab so that you'll have an idea. Since these websites are logged in by so many people, the delays in these websites are very, normal, and they keep on loading. You really don't need to, question your internet that whether it's performing well or not, but it's just the lag that exists in the website itself, because so many people are accessing these websites at a time. And so you really need to have that kind of the concern. All right. So let's wait a bit. Let me just revise everything. If you are someone who is very much particular about giving NBDHE exam or INBDE exam from Pakistan, and you are looking forward to, book your appointment ASAP, and you really don't want to, waste your fees, what you can do is you have two options. Either you manually select your dates through slot snipping method, or either you can pay 750 USD to Visa Embassy, and they can actually book an early slot for you. I don't know what happens to this, although it was working very much fine when I was accessing it before. All right, so here comes my portal page, and you can see that my appointment is locked for Thursday, September 16, 2027. And when it comes to reschedule appointment, what do? You choose this rescheduling appointments tab. Then you'll go to the consular post. And since I've chosen Karachi as my embassy, I'll select Karachi. And I'll keep moving forward and I'll see if there is any such slot. There's no such slot, but if you'll navigate it throughout the day, twice or thrice, between 2 to 8 a.m., you can actually find some sort of a slot for yourself, and you can book it immediately you find it. And this is very much advisable to do in the start of the month, because embassy usually releases certain slots during the first week of every new month. So these are the only two ways through which you can book your early appointments if you're very much passionate about giving your exams. So thank you so much. If you want our personal consultancy service, you can actually reach out to us on 0337 834 5835, or you may email us at hello.drnoorconsulting@gmail.com.